if I lost the agency, I lost the training company, I lost my rental properties, I lost my relationship with my business partner. Let's say I literally lost everything that is important to me and I had to start over from absolutely nothing. The first step would be going and getting some stream of income, some stream of quick income, easy money. I'm good with my hands. So I would go to Home Depot, I'd stand outside and I would wait for somebody to come in. I would say, hey, what are you working on today? And I would find a project. I don't care if I'm putting in fences, if I'm doing a roof, if I'm installing floors. I would find something I can do with my hands quickly to keep me busy and get myself some income quick. It's also a place where I could charge a lot of money for a short amount of time, because I have the skills and I have the knowledge. I know which things to charge for, and I know what I could get away with. With painting, I would be aiming for painting jobs because I'm fast at painting. It's very low cost, almost no tools necessary. And I could go and bang out rooms for make a couple $100s a day, get myself enough money to support myself. From that point forward, I would start marketing a painting business on Facebook or one of the TikTok video or one of the social platforms, and I'd build the business. If I had to start over, I wouldn't go and get my license, but I would absolutely start working with real estate agents and getting them to send me business as I'm a painting company. I really would. I would build that business up first. My first thing is get money in, get active income, and then I'd shift it over to passive, hiring all the guys who, are willing to work for $14 an hour, $15 an hour. And in painting, you're charging somewhere around $45 to $50 an hour. And then I'd shift from that point. As I'm talking to realtors looking for business, I would be talking to realtors looking for properties. Start a wholesaling training where I would teach wholesalers how to find deals. I teach agents how to find deals. And then I would shift from that point and I would start buying the deals myself. Because as I'm talking to people, as I'm painting their houses, I'm finding who has money to invest, and who's interested in investing. Be building my relationships with investors, serving them, going and painting their buildings. And I would eventually just partner with investors to do larger deals. And likely within the first 6 months to a year, I'd put $1 million deal down. There's no doubt in my mind that I'd probably slap a few of those together, just because I don't want to own anything less. And it would be not using any of my own money, although I would probably have some cash to go and do that with. The income on the painting business, I could get that anywhere between $5,000 to $15,000 a month within the first 3 to 6 months. So I know that I could handle any kind of appraisals, marketing fees. Having the team out there, having the agents and the wholesalers brings a ton of deals. And so it wouldn't take very long for me to go and find partners who would want to work with me, people who had money, people who I'd been working for already, my clients in the business, the people I'd been painting for. It's really build your business or do something that serves people who have money, and do something that serves people who have deals.